The gas extraction hoods provide a safe, practical, and efficient solution for laboratories handling volatile chemicals, light fumes, powders, and other potentially hazardous substances. Their compact benchtop design allows easy integration into existing laboratory workspaces, while the durable epoxy coated steel construction provides excellent resistance to water, corrosion, acids, and alkalis. The ventilation system delivers an airflow volume of up to 1,200 cubic meters per hour, with a surface wind speed ranging from zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.8 meters per second. For enhanced air treatment, the system combines a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter, achieving an effective filtration rate of up to 98%. The units also include LED lighting, a laboratory faucet and sink, and a flexible 3-meter exhaust duct. Available in multiple sizes, the YR06548 series offers reliable performance, flexible installation, and practical protection for modern laboratory environments.